Hi, Monty McKinnon here. Put some new taps into the bathroom sink, and sure enough, underneath at the drain, it leaked. Turned out that this little J-pipe was not installed properly, and it was slightly bent. So we ended up putting Teflon tape, wrapped it around here, and around here, got a new pipe, got a new washer, put it all together, didn't even need to use this great channel lock pliers, and it works. Go figure, it doesn't leak anymore. You know what that means? That means it's time for tea. Get yourself some English breakfast tea. It's really good for you. See you in the next video.